Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can do a velocity edit without having to downloading an app. So here I've already opened the capwing.com, so you can use this website to do the velocity edit. So first, what you need to do is sign in into capwing.com. You can use your Gmail account, your Google account. Here I'm going to use continue with Google, but you can also use Facebook if you have one. Then after that you can just start a new project, and here I'm going to upload a video first. I'm going to find a video to do the velocity edit. Okay, after you choose a video, this page will appear. And to do the velocity edit, you can just play the video a bit and choose the part that you want to slow down or speed up. You can just choose which one. So I'm going to split the video into a few parts. So I'm going to move forward. Okay, in here, I'm going to split. Then I'm going to click on this clip, and you can go in here in the edit. You can just scroll down until you find speed. So I'm going to make it slower, like okay, 0.25 times. So it will go like this. It will move slower. Then after that you can do split again for another parts of the video. So I'm going to click on the next part here. Okay, I'm going to lower the view. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm going to go in here and then split again. And for the next part, you can do the same. Okay, for the next part, I'm going to speed up maybe 2 times or 1.5 times. So from slow down, it will speed up like this. Then you can just drag it so that it doesn't split. Okay, so for this part I'm going to split again, then I'm going to slow it down again for the next part, so you can have that velocity added when you adjust it. Okay, so from slow down, and in the next part it speed up again and then slow down again. Okay, so I think that's all. I hope this will be helpful to you. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye!